Hello students, today's topic is how the state government works. Every state has a legislative assembly. Member of the legislative assembly or the MLA are elected by the people. Each state is divided into different area or the constituency. One MLA is elect from every constituency. MLAs belong to different political parties. A political parties whose MLAs have own more than half number of constituency in a state can be said to be in a majority. The political party that has the majority is called open to form the government. The party having majority is called the ruling party. Other parties are called the opposition party. The party having the second largest number of MLAs is the principal or major opposition party. After the elections, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party elect their leaders who become the chief ministers. The chief minister then select other MLAs of his party as ministers. The governor of the state appoint the chief minister and the other ministers. The chief minister and other ministers have the responsibility of running the various government department or the ministries like PWD, roads and building, forest, pension, education, mass education, etc. etc. In the legislative assembly, MLAs belonging to all the parties meet and discuss various issues concerning the state. Now we shall discuss a debate in the legislative assembly. During a debate, a MLA can express their opinion, ask question related to the issues or give suggestion to the mass. The minister of the concerned department then reply to the questions and inform the assembly about the step being taken. In a democracy, the members can ask questions, debate an important issue or a bill and decide where money should be spent. The chief minister and the other ministers have to take decisions and run the government. The word government refers to the government department and various ministers who head them. The chief minister is the head of the state government. The chief minister and the other ministers constitute what is called the executive. All the MLAs who assemble in the legislative assembly constitute what is called the legislature. Now we shall discuss about the working of the government. People express their opinion about the work of the government through newspapers, magazines and television channels are there. Ministers and the top government officials organize press conference. At the press conference, reporters and the journalists of the various newspapers, various news channels are invited. They ask various questions regarding the policy decisions or step taken to address certain problems. The ministers and the officials explain and answer various questions raised by the member of the press. The ministers take actions and implement decisions through the various department like public works department, agriculture department, health department, education department, etc. The government can also decide to make laws. These laws have to be debated, voted, and passed by the legislative assembly of each state. Then laws for the entire country are made by the parliament. In a democracy, it is the people who are the main authority because it is the people who will elect the MLAs, that is member of legislative assembly, and MPs, that is member of parliament.